So I'm going to a Pelman Pet Fest. And I have here a red and a blueberry jam and some strawberry jam. Which one is the sleepiest? Nothing.
Oh no!
I think we cannot do this. Okay, next up. I first, now the strawberry jam. Strawberry jam, you are. Okay, strawberry jam. Mhm. Mama,
Yes.
dito sa balo. Na anak to. Kay the hulod.
Okay, you open this.
Okay. Open. That kami.
You done with this?
Mama, ang strawberry jam. Balo lang to.
Oh no, the gate was open. Just wait a minute. I will close it first. Are you done with the blueberry?
This is the blueberry.
There you go. How about the strawberry?
Spread it. Okay. Let's cover it down. Spread it. Your favorites?
Finish?
Bye.
Go, you end your video now.